Hello, my name is Gaynor. The name of this video is Black Holes equals Dark Matter and Dark Energy equals Big Bang. Where did the mass in our universe come from? This is my second YouTube video. The first YouTube video is called Dark Matter and Expansion of Our Universe. In that video, I proposed that dark matter is the byproduct of the matter that falls into black holes by what I call the black hole process. The black hole process. As matter accelerates down to black holes, its electrons are stripped and then converted to plasma. This plasma is accelerated to almost the speed of light and hits the black hole. And that's what dark matter and dark energy is, the remnants of that collision. I call the place where dark matter exists the dark matter universe. And it's filling up like a balloon with dark matter and dark energy. And because our universe sits on top of the dark matter universe, as it expands, it's causing our universe to expand. In my new video called Black Holes equal Dark Matter and Dark Energy equals Big Bang, I'm going to try to clarify why I think my theory may be correct and comparing the CERN Large Hadron Collider to black holes. See YouTube CERN. A black hole works on the same principle as the CERN particle accelerator, or I should say the CERN particle accelerator works on the same principles as black holes. The CERN uses powerful electromagnets and lasers to accelerate plasma mass to almost the speed of light. Black holes use gravity to accelerate plasma mass to the speed of light, and black holes produce tremendously powerful magnetic fields, except black holes do it naturally. CERN is basically a reverse engineered black hole. In CERN, a packet of accelerated mass collides with another packet of accelerated mass and fragments into its basic fundamental elements. But what about black holes? I'm proposing that the accelerated superdense mass would shatter into the same elemental particles that the CERN produces after passing into a black hole. And that's what dark matter and dark energy is, and that's where it comes from. A black hole spinning at the speed of light may be able to do so due to the forces of smashing and shearing of the accelerated matter, and would be able to rip the elemental particles apart more efficiently. The average ambient temperature of space is 3 degrees above absolute zero. That would be minus 459 degrees Fahrenheit and 273 degrees Celsius. During the processing of the matter to dark matter, waste heat, energy, and radiation is blown back into space, creating jets of energy coming from some black holes. Dark matter's temperature has to be absolute zero or close to it. If the dark matter universe's temperature was absolute zero, then the dark matter universe would be a Bose-Einstein condensate and would have all the properties of a superatom that Daniel Kepler of MIT Physics Department talks about. See the Bose-Einstein condensate nova absolute zero on YouTube, PBS, January 8th, 2008. This is a 1 hour, 40-minute long video about the history and the study of the coldness and experiments. Black holes may process the different elemental forms, separating them from each other and spinning them into strings of like elemental particles, forms, and flavors. And these elemental strings could be in direct contact with others like elemental strings being spun by other black holes throughout our universe. Looking at it from that point of view, the entire universe would be connected and filling up with dark matter and dark energy. And that would make the balloon demo more of a possibility. And these like particle strings could be the wormholes theorized about. A cotton candy machine would be a good example of how a spinning black hole may work. The cotton candy machine spins liquid sugar by centrifugal force and forces the liquid through tiny holes. When the sugar passes through the tiny holes, it is shaped and cooled and becomes as solid again as spun threads of sugar. A black hole could produce strings of light particles not unlike a cotton candy machine. Some light, some heavy, and most likely the Higgs field, if it exists. See YouTube video, The Higgs Boson and Mass. It's stating that the Higgs boson particle was present right after the Big Bang and it slowed the other particles down to create the mass in our universe. Also, see CMS, Compact Muon Solenoid Experiment at CERN, February 23, 2010, is looking to create the Big Bang and capture it on a recording device. My point is that matter in our universe had to come from somewhere. Matter cannot be created nor destroyed, only changed from one form to another. And particle physics has shown us that that is true. And I'm saying that black holes process the mass that falls into it to make dark matter and dark energy. The dark matter universe could be a Bose-Einstein condensate, and during the Big Bang was released back into our universe as we now know it. As to the expansion theory leading to the cold death of our universe, even if our universe expands into coldness, the black hole process would continue to consume whatever matter was available and send it to the dark matter universe. Here's another thought for you. When the universe expands so far that the only galaxy that you can see is your own, then that's when your galaxy will probably start to cool off. I think that because there can only be so much star formation and new material for star formation. Eventually it will all be sucked into a black hole. As the galaxy cools, it will contract towards the center. And as it contracts, more and more mass would be pushed into black holes and all life would be extinguished. Eventually, all of that mass would meet at the supermassive black hole at the center of that galaxy. Then what? As I said, the ultimate in recycling. The reason why I say the ultimate form of recycling is because everything on the earth, planet Earth, is recycled. As we know in astronomy, everything is recycled in space also. So why not a universe being recycled periodically from time to time? We don't know how many Big Bangs there's been. We assume that there's only one, but there could have been more. I know this is all theory, but I wanted to say it before somebody else did, because I'm quite sure as time goes by, some of what I said is going to come to pass from one step to the other, and that's the logic that I've come to. Hopefully I'll come up with something else and make another YouTube video, and thanks for watching. Leave comments. I appreciate it. I've put a lot of dots on that balloon. Now when it inflates, they will move apart. Their only limit is the limit of the skin. But being that the universe is not like a balloon, but much vaster, the expansion can keep going on until infinity. The white dots have moved apart. That's because of the balloon stretching. But the same effect exists within our universe by the dark matter universe expanding, causing ours to move outward also. How far could it go? That far. The Big Bang. As mass from our universe decreases, mass in the dark matter universe increases, causing a differential in gravity or pressure from the increase in mass, and expansion would increase. Looking at it from this point of view, it would explain the expansion theory leading up to the cold death of our universe. However, even though our universe may expand into coldness, the black hole process will continue to consume whatever matter is available and send it into the dark matter universe. This expansion could keep on going until most of the matter in our universe is consumed. It's also possible that the dark matter universe could expand to the bursting point and another Big Bang could occur, not unlike a balloon that bursts when inflated too much. This would explain the Big Bang theory and the possibility that the universe that we're in now is just another cycle in a continuous process of multiple universes after each Big Bang. The ultimate form of recycling. Truly a never-ending loop into infinity.